Perfection is not when there is no more to add, but when there is no more to take away. Over the past year, especially in quarantine, I've been struggling with procrastination, and it's really weird. If there's something that I know is super important that I should get done, I end up doing almost anything else instead. I'll pretty much do any less important tasks, I'll mess around on my phone, I'll check email a couple hundred times, or just watch a cat video. And as I've been asking myself, why am I doing this? I believe it comes from a subconscious fear of failure. If I don't do this important task, then I know that I cannot fail at it. And for me, that's usually making a video, because if I don't actually sit down and shoot the video, then I can't start editing it and I can't put it out there. And if I don't put it out there, then it can't fail. And I know consciously that it also can't succeed if I don't put it out there, but I think that's why I am sabotaging myself and doing all these less important tasks. It's become normal for people to do as much as they can every single day. And I know that when you ask somebody how they're doing, they're saying, I'm busy, it's doing good, but work is crazy right now. Well, is it right now or is it all the time? I know for me, I've been saying this a lot recently, where I've just been doing as much as I possibly can each and every day, but it seems like the most important things I'm still not getting done, or they're taking way longer than they should be. So a couple weeks ago, I decided to try a little experiment and see if I could stop procrastinating by actually spending way less time working and try to get a lot less done. And it actually worked. I found that no matter what I was doing for work, even after I quit my job, I was filling the same amount of time that I was used to with tasks, whether those absolutely needed to get done or not. And I don't think it's actually true that everybody happens to just need to get done exactly 8 hours worth of work every single day. What if I can get that 8 hours worth of done in 4 hours or 3 hours or 2 hours? And I know for myself, if I have a deadline and something needs to get done at 6 o'clock, I will get it done by 6 o'clock. But if I have to get that same project done by Friday at 6 o'clock, it'll end up getting done like Friday at 7:30. I don't know why, that's just how I am. So I decided to take some of the principles of minimalism and essentialism and apply them to my work life. I've been applying them to my physical life and decluttering things, but I also wanted to apply them to my work life and see how little time I could spend working and still get the same amount of stuff done by cutting out the procrastination. So for the past couple of months, I've just been kind of working as soon as I get up to as soon as I go to bed, or whenever I get too tired at night and it's already dark out, and I'm not getting a lot of things done that I want to get done outside of my work life. So a couple weeks ago, I decided to set some deadlines. I am no longer allowed to work on my videos after 2 p.m. and I have to find something else to do with the rest of my day after 2 o'clock. Well, before I would spend an entire day working on a video, I found that I was getting about the same amount of stuff done, and sometimes even a lot more done, simply by constricting the time that I had to do it. Plus, that was kind of like just freeing up the rest of the days to go out and do things that I enjoyed, and it was actually kind of weird, because now I actually have to find things to do for the rest of the day that aren't work, because work was constantly going on every day, every night, every weekend, and I'm no longer allowed to do it on the weekends, and I'm no longer allowed to do it after 2 o'clock, because if I don't have those strict guidelines, I will just end up doing it all the time, indefinitely, compulsively, and it doesn't actually get a lot more done, but I feel this need, in order for myself to feel like I am accomplishing something, I need to be busy all the time, and I know that's just not what is necessary. But recently I've just been kind of looking at it as doing something unimportant really well does not make it important. The next thing I've been doing is setting a to-do list, but instead of setting 10 things on a to-do list like I was doing before, I just narrowed it down to 3 things that are on my to-do list. Never anymore. Most days it's 2 actually. So usually the night before, I'll write down those 2 to 3 things that if I get them done the next day, I will feel like my day was a success and I will feel like I got something accomplished. And when you're forced to narrow everything down to 1 or 2 things and focus on those tasks in a small amount of time, you end up getting the really important things done and you don't have time for the less important stuff. And I don't want to have my life just filled with all this random stuff. I want to really narrow it down to what is truly going to make the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time and free up my life for not constantly living to work and living to get all this, as much stuff done as possible. I want to actually find some other things to do with my life besides working 24/7. And as an entrepreneur or someone who works for themselves or works at home, I think this is a trap that a lot of us have been falling into recently, especially during the is just constantly trying to make ourselves feel like we're accomplishing stuff by working all the time. I started setting reminders for myself, so 3 to 5 times every single day during my morning working time, I have a reminder come up on my phone or on my laptop, and I've also written it on my board. Am I inventing things to do to avoid the important? Or am I being productive or just active? These are some questions that I got from the 4-hour work week, and I've been asking myself those a couple times every single day, sometimes every half hour to every hour. Just seeing that pop up can constantly remind myself that, is this the most important thing I should be doing right now? And am I just doing stuff for the sake of feeling like I'm staying busy because there's some type of subconscious like addiction to feeling busy all the time and constantly doing stuff? Or am I doing something that is really, really important? In those times that I find that I am completely wasting time, I'll just spray myself in the face with a bottle of cold water and move on to doing something actually important. I've actually found that since I've constricted it to 2 o'clock, I might actually try to constrict it to 12 o'clock and never work past 12 o'clock, especially on my YouTube videos. And then I try to do like one project around the house and have that done within the next hour. And then I'm still trying to find out things to do with the rest of my day. So I've looked into taking some photography classes. I might do an art class or something like with acting, because I think that would be kind of fun to do. I've been looking into different sports. Like, I need to find things to fill all this time that I now have available, especially like during the evenings. I've been going for more walks, going to the gym more, just going out and like doing more stuff, living life a little bit more, because I have all this free time, and I've just still been getting more stuff done. I actually have been getting more done in the past few weeks. I've gotten like an extra video over on Patreon. And on top of that, I had enough time over the past week to completely refinish these cabinets. I took them off and sanded them and painted them. And that's something I've been putting off for quite a long time, but I finally had enough time to do this because I had, a lot of free time the last couple of weeks. It's actually been really cool by just constricting my time and then making sure I'm focused on the really, really important tasks, and just kind of like just cutting out the other stuff, because I found out that like if I don't do it, nobody dies. Like a lot of the stuff is not really that important. I'd highly recommend doing some or all of these things, like just constricting your time and setting a deadline and just seeing what happens. You could end up freeing half of your working life just by getting stuff done a lot sooner. I know not everybody can do this, but most people can get stuff done. It doesn't take exactly 8 hours. It can take 6 hours. It can take 4 hours. Sometimes it can take an hour, and the rest of the time is just spent like messing around or doing stuff to feel important. So thank you for subscribing and hitting the little bell thing. I'll see you next week.